Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to convert a Word document to a PDF file on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, Mac Office. So we can now start the tutorial. So on the desktop, I have a folder called Work. Let's just click the folder. Within this folder, I have a Word document. Let's just open up the document. We can minimize Finder for the moment. Go back to the Word document. Now to convert from Word to PDF, we can go all the way to the top navigation menu. Go to Save As. Let's just save on the desktop for the moment. And now file format, this is how we convert from one to another. Let's just export formats as a PDF. Click on export. Minimize the Word document for the moment, and now we have work video schedule PDF. Let's just click on this, and now this is a PDF file. Quick preview. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.